last video, I shared how I got my very first funnel design client experience through onlinejobs.ph. But for this video, I'm sharing the next chapter, yung opportunity na nag-level up ng career ko as a freelancer. So it's not from the job platform. This is from one Facebook group at yun yung nagbigay sa akin ng $25 per hour na client. So kung gusto mong malaman kung paano ko ginamit yung Facebook groups para makakuha ng clients, then watch this video. I'm your Ate Bebs and I help Filipinos work smarter, not harder, so they can earn online, work from home, and build a life they actually love. So, ituloy na natin yung ating naudlot na kwento. At this point, meron na akong konting experience in funnel design at meron na rin akong portfolio. Pero gusto ko kasi ng mas malaking opportunity. Gusto kong makakuha talaga ng client na willing na magbayad ng mataas na rate. Kasi alam kong kaya ko na. Given yung meron na akong alam, may natutunan na ako. Although, alam ko sa sarili ko na hindi pa naman ako expert. Pero yun nga, alam kong kaya ko na. So, I started thinking, like, saan ba ako makakakita ng mga taong kailangan ng funnels? And the answer is Facebook groups. Kasi dun, maraming online business owners and marketers na nagra-run ng ads or campaigns. Kasi sila yung exact na audience na kailangan ng funnels. Kailangan nila ng funnel designer. At masasabi kong sila yung mas may budget compare sa mga naghahanap ng mga pinakamura sa job platforms. So I joined several Facebook groups, hindi para mang-spam ng members nila, but to give value at maging visible sa community. So here's exactly what I did inside these groups. So hindi ako nag-post like, available ako, i-hire nyo ako. Walang ganun. So wala akong ginawang direct pitch. Instead, sumagot lang ako ng mga questions inside the community. Kapag may nagtanong about funnels, sumasagot ako. Merong nagpo-post like yung mga landing page nila and asking for help. Nagbibigay ako ng helpful feedback. Like, for example, merong nagsasabi na hindi sila sure paano improve yung kanilang mga landing page or funnels nila. Nagsasuggest ako. So, consistently ako sumasagot, like walang kapalit, just showing up and being genuinely helpful. Because this is something I really believe in. People hire people they already trust, and you can build trust by helping first. Hindi sa pag-promote ng sarili mo ng paulit-ulit. Help first, then money can come after. So, yun yung ginawa ko. Like, day after day, nagbibigay ako ng value sa group, nagiging visible ako bilang taong may alam at willing tumulong. So, ito na, one day, merong nag-post sa Facebook group, and ito yung post niya. And nag-comment ako, I just said, I can help. So, nag-usap kami via Messenger. Sabi niya, 1 hour na lang yung natitirang time para gawin yung landing page nila. Hindi kasi nag-work yung buttons for some reason. Hindi nagsisave yung nilalagay nila na link. Talagang nagpanic daw sila, like naghahanap sila ng expert na tutulong sa kanila ma-solve yung problem na yun. Honestly, nung nakausap ko siya, there's a part of me na nag-doubt na kaya ko ba talaga to? Hindi pa naman ako expert. So given the problem nung client, still, tinulungan ko pa rin yung client kahit hindi ako sure. So binigyan niya ako ng access. Like, nagulat ako guys nung nalaman ko kung kaninong landing page yung aayusin. Kay Maria Wendt pala yun. And I've been following her like since the day I started freelancing. So, assistant niya pala yung nag-post dun sa community. So, hindi ko na in-overthink. Chinek ko na lang kung ano yung problem. Then, inayos ko agad. Like, 15 minutes lang, ayos na. Then, nag-launch yung campaign nila on time. At yun, gumana na. And then later on, nag-message sa akin yung assistant niya and she told me that Maria is looking for a funnel designer. And if I am interested, Maria wanted to meet me. Maria and I had a call. Grabe, na-starstruck ako sa kanya. Then parang hindi naman niya ako in-interview. Nag-thank you siya dahil dun sa ginawa ko. And she offered me to be part of her team as her funnel designer. Then she asked me kung magkano yung rate ko. And then I said, $25 per hour. Then she just said yes to it. Then in-onboard na niya ako dun sa team niya. At dun nag-start yung biggest jump ng career ko. Kasi hindi lang niya ako binigyan ng isang project. Inalok niya ako ng maging part ng kanyang team. like ongoing. So imagine from $3 per hour as the very first client experience to $25 per hour in just 1 month. So, hindi to nangyari dahil sa sinwerte lang ako. Nangyari to because may proof na ako ng skill ko and I decided to help others. Like I mentioned kanina, help first, then money can come after. So, what can you take from this story? Because I don't want this to be a feel-good kwento lang, di ba? And I want you to be able to replicate this in your own way with your own skill level. So here are the 3 things that actually made this work. So first is I went where my ideal clients are hanging out. Hindi ako naghintay na may makahanap sa akin. I joined sa mga Facebook groups kung saan nandun yung mga business owners and marketers. Yun yung ginawa ko. As simple as that. Second, hindi ako nag-post ng hire me. Nagbigay muna ako ng value, like sumagot ako sa mga question sa community, tumulong ako, like nagpakita ako na meron akong alam sa craft ko. So, nung may emergency na or meron ng opportunity na lumabas, kilala na nila ako as knowledgeable and helpful person. That trust was already there. And then third, ito yung pinaka-importante. I said yes before I felt ready. Kasi kung naghintay pa ako na maging expert muna bago tumulong, hindi ko makukuha yung client na yun. Kasi hindi naman siya naghahanap ng pinakamagaling. Naghahanap siya ng taong handang tumulong agad-agad. So, that's the story na kung paano ako nakakuha ng client mula sa Facebook group. Like, walang ads, walang malaking budget, just consistent value, the right community, and a decision to help first before money. Kung na-inspire ka sa kwento ko, comment value muna kasi yun talaga yung ginagawa ko. Like, magbigay muna ng value, then susunod na yung clients. By the way, available pa yung free funnel course ko. If you want to get it, ilalagay ko yung link dyan sa description box. And also, open pa ang enrollment for batch 28 ng Elite Funnel Designers Academy. So, if you want to be part of my group coaching program, then ilalagay ko rin yung link sa description box. At kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe, mag-subscribe ka na and don't forget to click that bell notification button below para ma-notify ka whenever I upload new videos. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, let's build something together.